We are about 5 months out from the FUE correction for the scar in your scalp.
Yes.
You're happy with the results?
Very happy with the results.
The recovery, how was the recovery?
I felt very comfortable.
Good.
It was great. It was a very speedy recovery. I only took about 2 weeks off work, and I was just wanted to just take all precautions. But I felt very comfortable, and then I would recommend it to anyone.
What was the scar caused by? May I ask?
Yeah, absolutely. So it started out as a birthmark.
Okay.
And I had some surgery by a dermatologist to remove the birthmark, which caused the scar.
Okay.
It's just it's been there ever since I was a child.
Let me go take a quick look back
Sure.
here. So you can see that it's really invisible now, even with the hair very short. This, let me see where that is here. I gotta look for it. Where is it? There it is. So you can see here, it's actually quite well healed and only visible if I really run my hair and open it up. But these are all grafted into the scar, so it's healed quite well. So happy with everything, right?
Yeah, I'm very happy. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.